Hi, I'm Chelsea, and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer here at Sky Rehabilitation Hospital in Bowling Green, Kentucky. And we are the only licensed inpatient acute care rehab hospital here in South Central Kentucky. So we specialize in several different things, and we take care of a variety of different patients ranging from injuries, trauma, strokes, brain injuries, and also those that are recovering from surgery and different illnesses. So today, I just want to take a couple of minutes and educate you on our orthopedic rehabilitation program at Sky. We are really passionate about our outcomes here for our orthopedic patients, and we are different than other levels of care in our community. So here at Sky, all of our patients receive 3 hours of therapy a day or 15 hours of therapy each week. And for any patient that is recovering from any sort of thing that's orthopedic related, this is very important to their road to recovery. We also have physical and occupational therapy focused on different things like progressive mobilization, restoration of function, improving strength and endurance and flexibility. We also have interdisciplinary pain management for our patients. We offer pre and post-surgical care, as well as braces and orthotics for patients that require that. We also have ongoing communication and consultation with referring physicians and surgeons to ensure that we have effective treatment plans for all of our patients. We also provide education about risk factors for injury prevention. This is really important for all of our patients, but especially those that are recovering from orthopedic surgery or illness. And some of the most common orthopedic related conditions that we assist our patients with here at Sky is hip fractures, knee and femur fractures, and also surgeries for patients that are recovering from those, like knee and hip replacement surgery, shoulder injury, arthritis and back pain, spinal surgery recovery, and then there's cervical pain and lumbar injuries also, and a variety of other different things as well. Those are just a couple to name a few. Our outcomes for these conditions are amazing, and that's why I love what I do here at Sky. I love being involved with the marketing and being able to promote our outcomes for our specific patients, like our orthopedic patients, because they truly are fantastic. 80% of our patients discharge directly to home from Sky, and that's huge. And also, our average length of stay for our patients is only 12 to 14 days. So if you look at our outcomes and then the fact that those patients were only here for 12 to 14 days, that speaks volumes about our therapy team and our nurses and all of our staff here at Sky and really what we do every day. Also, in May of 2021, 30% of our patients had an ortho-related diagnosis, and 100% of those were 100% satisfied with Sky and the care that they received here. So if you would like some more information on our orthopedic program for you or a loved one, please contact us at any time. Our number is 270-782-6900, or you can go to our website, www.skyrehab.com. Thank you.